Hey guys, guess what? It's time to put a roof on. Let's do this thing! Yeah! This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. You need to move, cat. Way to go. Hey guys, it's been a whole lot easier with two people, but I'll make it work. I'll rack this sucker. Get it all nice and square. This table far out of it. Now comes the fun part, trying to get this to pull out while I'm nailing it and keep this top straight. It's going to add a lot of rigidity to the outside walls and to the roof because it's not allowing anything to really flex out or bow. It will still bow until I get the inside. The more sheets I put on, the tougher it gets. And don't forget, I got rigid insulation going in. What y'all are wanting to see, y'all are probably wanting to see the same thing I am when I get on top of it. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, now, some of y'all might be going, okay, well you're overhanging a little bit, and I saw that you were pushing on it. I couldn't move it. These are solid across, I couldn't get it to move. So, I cut these with a skill saw just real quick. And what I'm gonna do is, I'll do the same thing for this as I did for the sides. I'll take my router and go along it. Smooth it out. I've got a piece of trim that's gonna be going here anyways, so gotta get it all flush anyways. Let's mark it off. Where did I run out of staples? Huh, that one. I really wish I would have put blocking in before I had done this. I'm seeing that some of my joists are a little bit bowed, and it's okay. I'll figure it out, but it is what it is. Keep going. Okay, I had it unplugged, or I have it plugged in, but I got the main power switch turned off. That's why I wasn't worried about messing with it. Now, Alright guys, so proof of concept. Right out in the middle of it. It's actually pretty sticky. I've got a bounce. It's pretty stinking sturdy. If I do this again, I will use plywood for everything. I won't use 1x strips, furring strips. I will actually use plywood, 3/4 inch plywood put together. And probably on the ceiling, I think since these are actually only 1 3/8 wide, I think I'd go with a full 2 inch. It'd just be a whole lot stronger. It costs a lot more, and there's more time. But just for the extra stability, But like I said when we started this is my budget build. So I'm doing it as cheap as I can. And we'll see what we can get away with. What if the first time going down the road it just explodes? Well, that'll be the last of my, intro. Build it, break it, or blow it up. It's pretty late. There's little windows over there, it's really dark. I moved over here because it's fixing to snow. And I'm also gonna paint this. I'm gonna finish off the roof tomorrow evening and I'm gonna prime it. And then the next day I'm gonna paint it. As far as all these stable holes, y'all been watching me do, I'm not too worried about them. I'm getting a roll-on rubber roofing that, well actually I can pour it on, but it'll be almost 20 mils thick when I'm finished. And it will fill everything and it's self-leveling. So, I'm not worried about the holes on the top. Like I always say, if you like this, right up here. Just click it, subscribe. If you want to watch some more, go right over here. You guys have a good night.